There has been much investigation into how children learn to talk. Amazingly, your child provides you with a powerful, personalized learning moment every time they communicatively initiate. To illustrate why our child's initiations are such a singular learning opportunity, we will revisit the 4 key ingredients that enhance learning and are organic to our child's initiations. These are motivation, attention, neural activation, and insight into zone of proximal development, or what is commonly referred to as ZPD or zone. Let's illustrate how each of these is present in a communicative initiation and how that places us in a peak teaching moment. In one scene, we'll present a verbal initiation. In the other, a nonverbal. Either way, both are initiations and both provide the same powerful, personalized learning moment.
Open.
Help open. Open. Let's see how the key prerequisites were achieved in both these communicative initiations. Motivation. Since the child chose to gravitate to the Play-Doh, we can be assured they are motivated by the Play-Doh. They're interested in the Play-Doh. We didn't have to spend any of the learning effort or time on guessing what might be motivating for them or offering up several toys that didn't catch their interest. They showed us what they wanted. We have their motivation. Attention. Because the child came to us, lifting up the jar and verbalizing help, or showing us that they wanted it open, we are quite assured of having the child's attention. We didn't need to prompt them, direct them, or make repeated attempts to get their attention. The child is giving us their attention of their own accord. They came to us. We have their attention. Neural activation. Motivation plus attention equals neural activation. When the child is motivated by something and is attending to it, the child experiences neural activation of those pathways and areas of the association cortex that have to do with the thing they are attending to and motivated by. The brain is especially primed to learn something about that thing. Zone of proximal development. We have motivation, we have attention, we have neural activation, and then our child initiates with us communicatively, either verbally or non-verbally. As a result, we now have an excellent estimate of our child's zone of proximal development, or ZPD. Our child has just given us the template on which to form our response. A thoughtfully constructed response within our child's ZPD optimizes the probability of teaching our child functional language in that very moment and encouraging more initiations. We have an estimate of ZPD. Having your child's motivation and attention readying and activating their brain for input, and then receiving insight on how you can tailor that input so that it is within your child's ZPD is some powerful learning. These opportunities happen most around you. At the end of this lesson, we're going to go into more depth on how to craft your just right response. But now may be a good time for a break. This has been a lot of information, and there is a bit more before the lesson concludes. Take a breather. Review the lessons to this point if you'd like. And when you are ready, click play, and we'll complete the lesson.